Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start market research with Nielsen, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Nielsen website. Navigate to the market research section. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Nielsen account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Identify the tools available for market research. Select the appropriate research method for your objectives. Review any relevant case studies or examples. Define your target audience based on demographics and preferences. Determine the research questions you want to answer. Explore the available data sources provided by Nielsen. Access sample reports to understand the format and insights. Utilize the survey tools to gather necessary information. Set up your survey parameters, including questions and participant criteria. Launch your survey and monitor participation rates. Analyze the incoming data regularly for trends and insights. Compile your findings into a comprehensive report. Present your insights clearly and effectively to stakeholders. Adjust your research strategy based on feedback and results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.